Hello and welcome to CoinHomeland. Salman is here. So we're gonna get back to our weekly forecast, guys. We're gonna do some forex pairs and indices, gold, and some crypto. So please, if you don't have any question, type it in the comment section as well. We're gonna start actually understanding when we do analysis. We look at three things. We look at the fundamental, which coming from the central banks all over, and overall monetary policy and stuff like that. That's one side. The other side is the technical analysis. So basically, we're looking at moving averages, some indicators, there's a chart, support resistance, some pattern, and that's the second kind, okay? Price action, etc. The third kind of analysis we do, it's called the sentiment analysis, which basically the mode of the market. Is it a risk on or is it a risk off? Right now, we understand the market has gone through a very strong risk off mode. And we have seen the indices coming down. We have seen Apple shares, Netflix, so many shares coming down so big time. One of the reasons is the conflict between Russia and Ukraine right now has put pressure in the market, and investors were afraid. That's why you have seen so many sell-off in the market, in the indices and the crypto market as well. We have seen some gains like the dollar, the CHF, the Japanese yen, especially dollar and Japanese yen. They had a lot of gain recently. I think we are gonna come back to the risk on from this week. Okay, let's look at the chart. So we're gonna start with the dollar index right here. As we can see, the dollar index did rally to the 97.40. So the Feds are going to increase rate in 2020, but that doesn't mean the index is gonna continue going up to 105 or 106 just straight like that. That doesn't happen. Even if they're gonna increase rate, the market's gonna continue in a certain pattern. It's gonna go up and down, okay? That's how it works. So basically, I think we come to a point where the USD index, actually it did reach the point where we're gonna see a reverse, okay? You can see it start from almost 94 right here. It did have a big rally all the way here to 96 with a small correction. Then we continue to the 97.44. From here, we are most likely, we're gonna see a down wave. It's coming to 96.80, then 96.35, and eventually 96.0 or 95, even 65. Okay, maybe from 95 we may see a reverse to the upside, but let's take it step by step. So next week, if we see the USD dollar index coming down from here, so we've got an idea how the market is going to move. Okay, if it does break to the upside, is different story. So we are going to build our analysis. In one case, the dollar index is coming down this way. So if you see the break above 97.50, then you're gonna find the market is going opposite of the analysis. Okay, so it's very important to watch the dollar index is coming down, and that will be really nice. Okay, the next one we have right here is US oil. So many analysts do expect the US oil to hit above 100 this year. They have reasons, they have valid reasons, so be aware. Don't go and short the US oil. There's a bigger chance we're gonna see above 100. Okay, so staying above 81.68 will expose us to 92.73 as first target. Okay, if we break above this, there's more levels to watch, but this is what's coming next as long as we continue above the 81.68. So it's not time to short the US oil yet. The next one we have here is the VIX index, which measures the fear in the market. If we see the fear increase, investors are gonna panic and they're gonna go sell off crypto and indices and stocks. If we see the VIX coming down, it means that investors are happy. They may take more risk. What we can expect now with this pattern, what happened right here, you can see the price did shoot up all the way, then start coming down in these waves, up and down like this. Okay, basically making lower highs right here. Okay, see this lower highs and higher lows. So basically run into kind of a triangle right here. It did break yesterday, this one. It may go back up to retest this one right here. We may see a small move to the upside as long as it doesn't break inside and go through it and break to the upside again. Most likely what we're gonna see is continue to the downside. Okay, coming down to the downside 25.54, it means the Bitcoin is gonna continue going up. The indices are gonna go up, Facebook possibly, and all the shares are gonna start picking up. Okay, if this scenario will happen and we're gonna continue below the 25, and that's what I can see happening actually. hopefully if Russia doesn't have more trouble with Ukraine, then we can go further down to 2258, and that's going to give us a great opportunity to go long in the Dow Jones and Nasdaq and BTC and Ethereum. Okay, so that's kind of how we look at the market as a sentiment analysis. USDCHF, we know the Switzerland Central Bank, they don't want a strong CHF, but sorry, next week I think what we're gonna see the dollar is coming down and the CHF is getting a little bit stronger. I don't think this is gonna last long. Afterwards, probably is gonna shoot up from here, or may come all the way down here and just shoot up. So next week, USDCHF probably bearish. Okay, this is just my opinion. I could be wrong, guys. So please make sure you do your homework. I can see the pound actually bouncing back from here to this level, or actually maybe a little bit higher. Either way, but I don't think the pound is going to break through here. I don't think so. I could be wrong. Also, look at the MACD right here. It's just about to bounce back to the upside. So this is my opinion. The next one we have here is Australian dollar. I think we have come to 69.94, and we're gonna see a reverse from here to the upside. This is as your first target. If we break above here, we may continue with a risk on mode in the stock market and everything, and we can see the Australian USD actually start going up. Okay, it may go one more, or two more candles down right here, but I think if you look at the MACD, we're just about to reverse right here. We're just about to reverse. Look at what happened previously right here, the same scenario. So once you come here, once you have a nice MACD signal right from here, probably what we're gonna say is a nice wave to the upside. So I wouldn't recommend to go short anymore in the Australian dollar. If you have a short to trade, just take profit. If you want to go long, wait for a nice price action, you are confident, and just go long with it. Okay, always do your homework, to be confident about your trade. USDCAD. USD is going to come with the USD index, and Canadian is going to go with the oil. So we expect the USD index to come down. We do expect the oil to go up. So here comes a strong trend to the downside in the USDCAD next week, and maybe the week after. So possibly USDCAD may come down to 1.26, and if it does break this one, to 1.24640. From here, we may bounce back to the upside, but let's take step by step. Okay. USD, which is the yields in the United States bonds. So basically, it looks bullish right here. Okay. But what I can see, this is gonna trick us and is not gonna break this level. See this level right here? I don't think it's gonna break it, and we are gonna come back down here. Okay. Yields should go up with a stronger expectation of interest rate. So, however, this goes most of the time again is the gold. So if the gold is going up, you're gonna find the yield is going down, or if the yield is going down, you're gonna find the gold is going up. Okay, so be careful from this one. Gold, we expected this wave from here from 1850, so it did come all the way down. You look at the MACD, I think we are over with the downtrend. Most likely that's done. I think we're gonna see this up wave to continue. If the yields doesn't surprise us and we are up to 1850, then possibly a small correction from here, then we'll continue back to 1850, 1815, then 1850 again. Anyway, if you take a long position from here, your stop loss should be below there, okay? And trade with risk management. Don't go with high risk with the gold. Gold is fast, moving fast, and so many people have felt pain from the gold. So please don't be added to this group. So Nasdaq right here, that's beautiful, beautiful price to buy Nasdaq, guys. Beautiful. Look at this. We are done with this. We are done with this down wave. It's finished. Okay, so basically this is only going up in my opinion. I don't think any more down. First target 1574, then second target 16,600, which is gonna make a new all-time high at 17,000. So guys, this is really good in my opinion. Especially look at the MACD right there. Okay, it's beautiful, beautiful buy signal in the 4-hour time frame. Usually this is a strong signal. Usually. What second scenario could happen is we get a correction here, then the risk of hit the market back and we come back down. This is possible if the tension will increase in the geopolitical situation, okay, between countries and stuff. But so far, so good. So far, we are still bullish to the upside from here to this target breaking. Then this is the second target at 16,500, which will make that This trade is one of the best in 2022 if this will continue to the upside as expected. We're looking at the DAX right here, German 40. It's still making higher lows right here, guys. Look at this higher lows right there. Here, this low, and this one, and this one, and this one. So you're still making higher lows. It didn't break this one. So basically, this is a triangle. Okay, this is I think we're gonna break this upside. I think the next move is going to be we're gonna, it's just a small dip down here, then we're gonna continue here like this, then it's gonna break to the upside. I think this is the wave is coming. Okay, but this is kind of a triangle right here is picking up higher lows right there. Okay, the next one is the Dow Jones. So Dow did drop from almost 37k all the way down to 33. It was a beautiful, beautiful fall for those who did benefit from this one. Right now, it start actually going back up, is making higher lows. It did make a double bottom right here. See, this is trend pattern we discussed. Right there, this one, let's make it with yellow so it will be clear. This one here and this one here. This is a beautiful, in our signal group, we did give a signal from here. We did take a buy from here, okay? And we did give one buy from here and one buy from here, okay? It was really nice. We made about 1,350 pips or so, or maybe even more in the channel. So basically, every buy in the Dow Jones, take it, okay? Every buy, take the buy, okay, guys? Next one right here, what we have is the pound New Zealand. I think we're gonna find a very nice short trade from next week. Once you see a nice price action, don't go buy here anymore. Don't buy this one. Even if it's gonna go up, don't go with it. Let it go. Don't go with it. Once look at this. Don't buy this MACD. Look at this right here. This is terrible. Don't buy this here. Don't buy this top. Okay, so wait. Once it may have a peak like this to hit all the stop losses. So what they do is you go like this, then you everybody start to go in short, then they have one spike up, your stop loss is gone, you start to go long with it, then it will come back down, then you lose in the buy and you lose in the sell. Don't be one of these people. Okay, so basically start taking some short trades right here with price action. Okay, don't put your stop loss very close here because we may get a spike, then stop loss hunters, then the price probably is going to come down all the way here. This is a huge fall. It may come fall from here, then continue down here. Okay, we may get all this fall. It could happen. Okay, pound Australian will be the same situation. We're looking to come down to 1.89. The next one we have right here is the Canadian Japanese yen. However, this looks bearish, but don't go sell it. Wait, it may come down to 89, then bounce back from here as we have expectation the risk on will hit the market and the oil to go up. Those two things are going to make the Canadian Japanese yen go up. Okay. Euro Australian, I believe this was going to be one of the best sells. Okay, this is going to be a beautiful sell. We may reach all the way down here, probably looking at 300 points straight. This will be beautiful. If we break above the 1.6, it means the market hit the risk off mode again. So just to wait, don't buy it, wait to go up, and when the way coming back down, short it. So we're gonna take only short trades in the Euro Australian. There is no more long trades right here. Okay, that's it. Long was from there, was from down here. Okay, guys, but now there's no more trades like that. BTC is only long. You guys, you can see this wave right here. Okay, almost to the 61.8. You come down, find support at 23.6 at 35k 600, then start going back up. Double bottom right here, just like what happened in the Dow Jones, and start picking up. So we are still bullish here to 39. If we break above then the next level is going to be the 43. Okay, so only bullish in the Bitcoin. Next one is Ethereum. Ethereum is only bullish right here. It did find support at 21.9 right here at 2193. You can see the MACD here did dip. It's making a really nice cross above the zero level, so it means it's picking up momentum. Okay, then the next levels to watch for is right here at the sixth one, 2866. Then if we break above this one with a strong risk on more than the market and there's no problem with the crypto regulations, then next target will be 3253. Last one to come across is the BNB Binance. So basically, if we continue to hold above 334, the next target is going to be right there at 450, then the next one 525. This analysis coming from CoinHomeland. Full automated trading signals coming soon. Stay tuned, guys. Once it's published and live, I'm gonna announce about it, and I'm just gonna, pass some promo codes for our members and stuff. And best luck. It just artificial intelligence will scan the market, get the best signals, and send it to your Telegram or email or WhatsApp, all alive from the market. Okay, so just keep you updated about which one is buy, when stop loss and take profit 1, take profit 2. Then you're gonna get a sell signal to your phone also, so it keeps you updated from the market. You choose your favorite pairs, crypto or Forex or indices or gold, then you're gonna track all the movement in the market. This will help you to make the best decision. It's kind of a semi-automated between you and the market. So we provide you with the analysis about what's going on, and you make the decision to take the trade or not. So it's really, really helpful. It's coming soon. Stay tuned. Thank you, and have a beautiful weekend, guys. Okay. Best greetings here from CoinHomeland. Salman with you.